Think of a world where robots that look and act like humans have taken over the tech industry, replacing human workers in various roles. Nope, this is not a movie scene, but a reality we need to confront. Sanctuary AI has created Phoenix, a humanoid robot with advanced AI called Carbon. Phoenix can do different types of work like a person, thanks to its human-like intelligence and physical capabilities. It has advanced sensors, dexterous hands, and can carry up to 55 pounds, can perform a wide range of tasks such as assembly line work, warehouse logistics, research and development, design and prototyping, and contribute to scientific discovery. And more humanoid robots are on the way. Today, we will delve into the significant impact of these humanoid robots on the tech industry and explore the potential consequences of their widespread use. These advanced humanoid robots are the pinnacle of technological innovation. With their human-like appearance and abilities, they can seamlessly perform tasks that were once done exclusively by humans. This poses a major challenge to the future of human employment in the tech industry. Let's look at some specific examples of how humanoid robots are reshaping the industry. Increased efficiency. Picture humanoid robots working tirelessly on assembly lines, putting together intricate components quickly and accurately. In research and development, imagine them conducting complex experiments and analyzing massive amounts of data in record time. Their tireless work ethic and precision optimize processes, driving efficiency to new heights. Cost reduction. Visualize a warehouse where humanoid robots effortlessly navigate through aisles, autonomously retrieving and organizing inventory. By streamlining logistics and reducing the need for human labor, businesses can achieve significant cost savings in terms of labor expenses, operational inefficiencies, and potential losses due to human error. Workforce replacement. It will create a scenario where humanoid robots collaborate with human engineers in designing and prototyping new products. They provide precise measurements, perform repetitive tasks consistently, and assist in complex simulations. While this accelerates innovation, it also raises concerns about job displacement for humans. Innovation acceleration. Picture humanoid robots working alongside scientists in a research laboratory. They carry out repetitive experiments, collect and analyze data, and even propose new hypotheses based on machine learning algorithms. By automating routine tasks, researchers can focus on higher-level thinking, problem-solving, and pushing the boundaries of scientific discovery. However, we must also consider the potential consequences of humanoid robots replacing humans in the tech industry. Job displacement. The widespread adoption of humanoid robots will inevitably lead to job losses for many individuals. We must prepare for the economic and social impact of this transition and explore strategies for retraining and upskilling displaced workers. Inequality. The automation of tasks previously performed by humans may worsen income inequality. Those who possess the skills to work alongside humanoid robots will thrive, while others may struggle to find employment or face reduced job opportunities. Ethical considerations. The integration of humanoid robots raises ethical concerns. We must ensure that their deployment and use prioritize human well-being, data privacy, and the prevention of discriminatory practices. Human interaction. While humanoid robots can mimic human behavior, they cannot replicate the depth of human connection and empathy. Maintaining a balance between technological advancements and preserving human interaction is crucial for the well-being of individuals and society as a whole. As we confront the reality of humanoid robots replacing humans in the tech industry, it is crucial to approach this shift as an opportunity for adaptation and growth. Here are some strategies to consider. Reskilling and upskilling. Investing in programs that provide training and education to displaced workers can equip them with new skills aligned with emerging roles in the tech industry. This ensures a smooth transition and minimizes the negative impact of job displacement. Collaboration between humans and robots. Instead of viewing humanoid robots as complete replacements, we should explore ways to foster collaboration between humans and robots. By leveraging the strengths of both, we can achieve greater productivity, innovation, and job satisfaction. Entrepreneurship and innovation. The rise of humanoid robots opens up avenues for entrepreneurial endeavors and innovative solutions. Encouraging and supporting individuals to create their own ventures can lead to the creation of new job opportunities and economic growth. Social safety nets. Strengthening social safety nets is essential to support those most affected by the technological shift. Implementing policies such as universal basic income or reimagining social welfare systems can provide a safety net for individuals facing job displacement. Ethical frameworks. Developing comprehensive ethical frameworks is crucial to ensure responsible and accountable use of humanoid robots. These frameworks should address issues such as privacy, data security, transparency, and the prevention of algorithmic biases. Continuous dialogue and collaboration. Open and ongoing dialogue between industry leaders, policymakers, researchers, and the general public is vital. By fostering collaboration and engaging in meaningful discussions, we can collectively shape the direction of the tech industry and mitigate potential challenges. As we move forward, it's essential to strike a balance between the benefits of technological advancements and the well-being of individuals and society. Embracing a human-centric approach and focusing on the equitable distribution of the benefits brought by humanoid robots will be key to building a sustainable and inclusive future. Now the question is, how can we redefine the importance of human work and make sure people have a meaningful life in a world where technology is taking over? Let us know your thought in the comments section.